This is Jamie from Carlong Plumbing, and we're talking high water pressure. What do you have to look out for? How do you know it's happening? How do you deal with it?
So the main reasons that you'd notice you have high water pressure is going to be either you have a drip from a faucet, or you turn the water off and you hear some banging, or you hear like something abnormal when you turn the water off, or when your washer shuts off, or sometimes it could just be when you open the water, it comes shooting out. I mean,
so if there's some violence either coming out, or when you shut it off, it's good.
Yeah, generally that. Every now and then it'll be from a leak, like from the faucet, little drip, or most times it shows up in the water heater. So that there's a little valve on the side of the water heater that has a drop tube to the floor, and that'll be dripping. Usually that indicates high water pressure.
How does it happen? How did it begin in the first place?
So the city supplies the water for most people in the area have city supplied water.
Yeah.
And it just, when they push it out, it depends on where you're at in the run. Sometimes you're in the beginning, maybe they're just trying to get it out and they got a long run and you just kind of got the brunt of it at the front end. Sometimes it's just, unfortunately, it's kind of a way of it works because it's a city water supply and there's not really much you can do to change it.
What can you do about it if you're in a house that's got high water pressure?
The only fix for high water pressure is going to be a device called a water pressure reducing valve.
Water pressure reducing valve.
So that you just cut the water lines, you install the pressure reducing valve, and then you put it all back together. You can adjust it. It's adjustable as well. So
you say you cut it and all that. I mean, you guys can cut it.
We cut it.
I don't want to be doing this. I don't know if you want to be doing it on your house, but all right.
Yeah, we would cut the water line. We would do all the installs, make sure it's set right, put a gauge on there for everyone, make sure in the future it's beneficial to see it. Like if that pressure reducing valve fails, now you have high water pressure again. Now you can go look at that gauge on your water line and you can say, okay, I need someone out to service this thing.
So if somebody's watching right now and they've been noticing this, how long does it take? And if they give you guys a call, like, does this take a day for you guys to do this? Or?
Yeah, if we come out, you give us a call, usually able to come out within a day.
Okay.
And that job would take an hour or two.
Oh, geez, an hour. So that's not bad. So
not at all.
Who should they call? What's the number? Let them know.
Our phone number is 216-463-2463.
Carlong Plumbing, they'll take care of that high water pressure. Give them a call.